Ignorant and loud. I kind of like that somehow. It does describe a lot of people, depraved, ignorant, loud. And yeah, they mean business when these protesters show up, as they have been doing a lot. Maybe we should think about putting Supreme Court justices on military bases. I mean, they're just too accessible to the public. By the way, this is all against the law, federal law. You can't do it. They did it to Kavanaugh for about a year. Kavanaugh, however, voted with the minority. His decision was beautiful. More on that in a moment. But President Trump, again, not running away from something. A lot of other presidents, they would just ignore it or put out a statement. Nope. Confronted the cameras, said what he had to say, and took questions.
This was an important case to me, more as a symbol of economic national security, and also, I would say, just for our country itself, so important.
I am not accustomed to hearing presidents talk like that, where it truly is from the heart. They want the best for the country. In his view, this was best for the country, not for the party, not for the prestige of the presidency, but for the country. And if folks can't see that, well, I think it's Trump derangement syndrome, or they're partially blind, because I've been watching this stuff for a long time, and this is genuine. Next, please.
The good news is that there are methods, practices, statutes, and authorities, as recognized by the entire court in this terrible decision, and also as recognized by Congress, which they refer to, that are even stronger than the IEEPA tariffs available to me as President of the United States. And in actuality, I was very modest in my ask of other countries and businesses, because I wanted to do, and it's very important, I wanted to be very well behaved, because I wanted to do anything, I didn't want to do anything that would affect the decision of the court, because I understand the court. I understand how they are very easily swayed. I want to be a good boy.
Good boy. And he does have an understanding of the court the way few people can. When you're a plaintiff, when you're a defendant, when you are in so many different ways, he's been in front of this court. Now, the IEEPA standard, this is EPA. Now, what is that? I had never heard of it before, to be honest, but it's the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, a 1977 law giving the president broad authority during a national emergency. This is one law. There are a lot of other provisions in the government that we believe allows the president to impose tariffs for the national security of the country.
Information. Truth is freedom. Is Newsmax. It's real news for real people.